All right, let's dive into adding a stroke effect in Adobe Premiere Pro. Here's how you can do it. Firstly, ensure you have your background set up in the timeline. Drag and drop your picture onto the timeline. Make sure you're using a proper transparent picture, as sometimes PNG files downloaded from websites may not have proper transparency. Next, navigate to the Effects panel. If you don't see it, click on the Window option located at the bar and select Effects from the drop-down menu. Then, search for the Paint Bucket effect. Once you've found the Paint Bucket effect, drag and drop it onto the clip or picture in your timeline. Select the picture layer, then navigate to the Effect Controls panel. If you don't see it, click on the Window option located at the bar and select Effects Controls from the drop-down menu. In the Effect Controls panel, locate the Field Selector option and change it to Alpha Channel. This ensures that the stroke effect is applied to the transparent areas of the picture. Next, adjust the stroke settings. You can increase the stroke size by adjusting the stroke width parameter. Additionally, you can change the color of the stroke by selecting a new color. Let's make it white, for example. Simply select the color picker next to Stroke Color and choose white. And there you have it. You've successfully added a stroke around your PNG image. It's really that simple. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Have a great day.